Coronavirus fear sent the stock market tumbling for the sixth day in a row.
And tonight, the Dow Jones futures plunged sharply again. Meantime, the number of cases continue to grow everywhere. The United States has documented 60 cases of coronavirus since the outbreak began. Most of those cases are evacuees from the Diamond cruise ship.
In California, we have 33 confirmed cases. Worldwide, the number of cases is more than 82,000 and 2,800 have died from this illness. KCAL 9's Randy Page here in studio now with more on the effect on Wall Street and politics.
So much uncertainty right now. Stocks went from record highs to record lows in the blink of an eye, while ominous signs are growing that more coronavirus victims are hidden in the shadows. They may be smiling through their pain. The Dow plunged 1,200 points today after the worst 4 days since the 2008 financial crisis. Wall Street's free fall this week erased 1/3 of the stock gains since President Trump was elected in November of 2016. The reason? Fear of impact of the coronavirus. Particularly troubling, a patient who contracted the virus with no obvious source of exposure. A canary in the coal mine, some medical experts say, signaling the potential for other cases that are expected to follow.
Why is the selling continuing? Because there is this fear of the unknown.
CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger says it's not time to bail out of the stock market yet.
Even if you're going to retire in the next year or two, your money has to last you for 20, maybe 30 years in the future. So try not to do anything to upset the plan that you have in place.
Vice President Mike Pence, who's in charge of the federal effort to combat the virus, echoed President Trump's assessment.
Our best estimate is that the threat to the American public remains low.
But across town at the Capitol today, CDC Director Robert Redfield told lawmakers about an ominous finding.
But we do know that you can transmit this virus before symptoms.
That means infected people can be transmitting the virus without even knowing it, making it difficult to trace.
This particular case could be the first possible instance of community transmission of COVID-19 in the United States.
Dr. Sonia Engel, director of the California Department of Public Health, is talking about the most recent coronavirus patient discovered in Solano County. It's still unknown how she became infected. We know the patient showed up at North Bay Hospital in Vacaville on February 15th. Dozens of workers there are now being monitored for the virus. The hospital is 10 miles away from Travis Air Force Base, where passengers from the Diamond Princess are under quarantine.
We have no evidence that there is any connection with those patients and this individual at this time.
As her conditions deteriorated, doctors inserted a breathing tube, and she was on a ventilator when she was transferred to UC Davis Medical Center for specialized treatment yesterday. Today, Governor Gavin Newsom wouldn't say where the woman had been while she was contagious.
The people that have been in contact with this individual have the right to know, and in real time, they are.
Hospital workers aren't the only ones under quarantine. The Pacific Fleet is ordering all ships leaving high-risk countries to quarantine at sea for 14 days. Today, President Trump urged everyone to stay calm.
Fortunately, we made the early moves and we closed our borders, but it's working out very professionally. We're doing a tremendous job.
The New York Times is reporting a whistleblower is claiming U.S. health workers lacked training and gear where Americans were quarantined, including teams deployed to 2 bases right here in California.
All right, Randy, thank you.